President Barack Obama.
We hold you to your words.
That failure to respond to the threat of climate change
will betray our children and future generations.
We are at a crossroad.
Save our planet for posterity or destroy it.
As youth from Africa,
where the effects of climate change will be severely felt,
we ask you to reject Keystone XL.
Mr. President,
your legacy as a president
will rest squarely on your response and resolve,
and your leadership to solve the climate crisis.
Global warming is an immediate threat.
From Alaska to Antarctica.
Act now.
Veto Keystone XL.
We support the Forward Climate Rally.
No to Keystone XL.
No to Keystone XL.
No to Keystone XL.
No to Keystone XL.
No to Keystone.
No to Keystone XL.
No to Keystone XL.
No to Keystone XL.
No to Keystone XL.